Hey guys, it's me, my big man Marv, and today we're doing a Summer Glow makeup tutorial sponsored by Ashley Sievert Beauty. So this is also going to be a wear test video for Ashley Sievert Beauty products. So I will show you the Summer Glow makeup tutorial and then I will show you a couple hours later how it all held up. Little Marv is just gonna be chilling here the whole time. My precious heart, I love him so much. So before we get started, I'm going to show you the brushes that I'm going to be using, which are all Ashley Sievert brushes, and it comes in this really cute container, and there they are. So these are going to be the brushes that I'm working with today. Okay, so before I started filming this video, I used these tanning drops last night, Isle of Paradise, the best. And then I also just washed my face and put on my regular moisturizer, and so now I'm ready to put my makeup on. So first, I'm going to start with the Mineral Velvet Cream from Ashley Sievert, and I have it in Milan and Paris. Milan is lighter version and Paris is the next color, but I like to mix them both because one's too light and one's too dark, so I'll mix them both. So next, I'm going to use the Glow Under Eye Concealer. I like to use my finger when I'm using like a liquid foundation sort of texture makeup because it really warms it up and it gets it to spread very nicely. Okay, so next I'm going to take this brush and the Trophy Wife Gilded Bronzing Powder. So next I usually do my blush, and I have the Tarte Party color. Literally P-A-A-A-R-T-Y, Party, and it's just a really cute blush. And if you really want that sun-kissed look, you should put a little on your nose. It looks more natural that way. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Mineral Finishing Velvet Powder from Ashley Sievert Beauty and the Press and Poof also from Ashley Sievert Beauty. And it comes with one of these, but I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to press. So now that I'm brightened up, I'm going to come back in with this finer brush right here and add a little bit more of the bronzer. And now I'm going to come back in with Spotlight, which is an alternative concealer to Glow, but it's meant for smaller areas and kind of like that final touch. Okay, so I'm going to finish off this look with some mascara and lip gloss. I use the Falsies Push Up Angel from Maybelline, super cheap, and it works very well. Okay, so to finish off this super natural summer glow look, I'm going to take my Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner. So I just sort of outlined my lips with this to kind of give them this like plumper look, but then I'm going to come back with my Aveda Nourishing Mint Lip Gloss, and it's going to complete this look. Okay, so that's it. This is my everyday, quick, easy summer glow makeup tutorial. So now I'm going to go enjoy my Saturday, and then I'll come back later and I'll let you know how the makeup's looking up. So this is my midday wear test. I've been a couple of places already today, and so far so good, but now I am going to a festival, which will be the ultimate test. Okay, y'all. also daylight is officially coming to an end. It's about 8 p.m. and it's been, I think, 10 hours or so. And overall, I think the makeup has held up pretty well. It's probably not 100%, but I wouldn't expect like it to be any better than it is now. So super satisfied with the products, and I can't wait to keep using them in the future. Thank you so much for watching my Summer Glow makeup tutorial and Ashley Sievert Beauty wear test. It has lasted me since 10 a.m. through a festival and into the night. Now I'm gonna go enjoy my Saturday night. Thanks for watching.